5 steps to write copy that sells even if you haven't written any copy in your life. I will tell you the step by step process to write any copy that will bring clients. Hey, this is Chenjivi Rathore and I help coaches and consultants to get clients using high converting content strategies. In this video, I will help you how you can write a copy that will definitely going to work even if you are not a great copywriter. Before moving forward, if you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video here. So let's get started. Step number 1. Do a research. What your customers want to hear. The best place to do a research is Amazon, Quora, Udemy, AppSumo. Search for the similar products whose target audience are same as you. Always look for the products having higher reviews. Find out 3 answers during your research. What are the promises your competitors are making? What are the pain points they are addressing? And what are the objections they are handling? Also, subscribe to the email list of your competitors to understand how they are communicating. Step number 2. Know your customers deeply. This is the most crucial part of your research. When you are doing a research, search for the similar product or services your target audience are buying. Always try to read the Amazon or Reddit reviews and also try to find on Quora what is their experience with the product. Find out the challenges they are facing to get the desired results during the research. Find out the emotions that triggers them during this part. What is the core emotion they got triggered from? Is it shame, guilt, boredom, fear, or anger? Understand that trigger and also find the benefit of your product with respect to that trigger. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe if you are getting value out of it. Also, you can join my free Facebook community. Link is in the description. So moving forward, watch the complete video because in step number 5, I will give you a hack that will help you to create more effective copies without much effort. Now, step number 3, how to make your solution exciting. Research everybody else's sales message. What are these people actually selling? How your product differentiates from that. The best way to do that is solve the urgent problem. Solve it as fast as possible. Make it unique that they haven't heard about it before. Increase the certainty to get results from your solution. Step number 4, how to write effective copy. If you have done your research part better, it will become so easy to write an effective copy. Now, in this section, I will give you an effective framework to write a copy. Number 1, include storytelling in your copy. Number 2, use controversy and intrigue that helps your clients to see you as new opportunity. Number 3, use IDA method. Attention, interest, desire, action. Number 4, make it customer centric. Instead of what you have achieved, use what's in it for them. Number 5, use scarcity and urgency whenever required. Number 6, write short, easy to read sentences. Now, step number 5, ethically hack your competitors. Find your competitors and model the success they have achieved. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, model what's working for them and use the similar words for your audience. If you love this video, do like it and share it, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you want to become a part of my free community, you can join my free Facebook group. Link is in the description.